Hi, I'm Terry B. Jones coming to you again today to share with you email marketing with trafficwave.net. And on this particular training, I will be sharing with you, I'm going to log into my back office, how you can create a template, okay, for your particular campaign that you're going to create once you sign up for TrafficWave. As you can see on TrafficWave, basically you can, let's see here, move this over. Okay, I'm logging into my back office now, and I'll go to one of my campaigns and let you see how to go to my campaign manager. This is where all of your emails will reside. The email campaigns. I'll go to this one here called Alexa Skills, and I'll go to letters. Okay, and basically if you drafted your 7 to 10 letters, this is where your letters will reside. Okay, and so initially, when you log into TrafficWave, basically you can create a letter, okay, a new letter. Or you can, like I already have these 2 letters right here. This letter will be delivered immediately once the person opts in, and this letter here will be sent out 1 day after they opt in. Okay, and so basically I can edit this letter. I can do a broadcast to a list with this. I can proofread the letter, and I can make a copy of it or just delete it. Okay. And then here is my template that I made, okay? And so I will let you take a look at that. And so when you create a template, basically you can use it throughout all of your email campaigns, okay? And so this is something that I made right here with this header, and also basically I have this product here that I have where a person can buy this Echo Dot. And right here is where I would start whatever information I would like to put in this letter, okay? And of course I'll put links, I can put my links here and here, and of course this will have my name and stuff pulled in, okay? And so that is a template that I made, and so I want to show you pretty much how you can do this. So I will click on create new letters, okay? And then once I click on there, basically it says you want to use a template or you want to start with a blank letter. So I can start with a blank letter or I can use a template. Okay, the easiest thing to do is to just grab a template, okay? And so what you'll see right here is that my template that I made is right here. I can choose it, I can select it, or I can actually go and select a different one that is in the back office of TrafficWave, okay? And so let me click on here. Okay, return to campaign letters. All right, and so basically, let me go back in here where the new letters at. Okay, use it. Start with a blank letter. And so this is what will come up if you start with a blank letter, where it just has this here. There's no heading or anything like that, okay? And so I can, save this as a letter, or I can come and go back to create. Now I'm doing this here live for you guys, so just hang in here with me. I'm going to create a template. Okay. And HTML templates is what I'll be clicking on to choose. Okay, so what happens within here, let me see if I can move my screen over so you can see. There you go. You can see right here HTML templates that's here. And so you can choose, like the one that I made the header with, I believe this is it. So you can click on preview. Okay, so this is one that doesn't have a header. You can put an image right here, and you can make this one here as your template if you like this one here. Okay, and I'll click on close preview. Let's see here, a simple header, sidebar left. Let's do a preview on that one. Okay, I think that's one we just looked at. Alright, let's see here. Image header, okay? A sidebar on the right and an image header. Let's look at that one. Preview that one. Okay, so this is the one that I use, okay? And so you can actually say use this as a template, okay? See right here where it says use this template, or close the preview. Alright, and so since this is one that I used to make the one that I did. So what you would do is you would just take your image and put right here where it says use this template. Just choose that. Oh, excuse me. Okay, we'll use that. And then, so right here, it tells you what to do. You can replace this image with one of your own by right-clicking on it and selecting image properties. So I can just right-click, image properties. And I already made an image with the 700 by 125. So I will browse the server. Okay. And so here you have stock photos, you have social media icons, and then of course the images. So here are some of the images that I already had uploaded in here, and the header that I just created, that was the correct one right here. You see that? Just click on choose, okay, press OK, and see, now that's my header. Then right here, same thing, I can right click, image properties, and then I'll go to browse the server, and then I'll go to upload images, and let's see where, oh yeah, that's this one. Okay, choose that one, and then okay. Alright, see how that works? Okay. And then what I did right here, okay, in here, you know, you can make this as like, you can say get an Echo device today, and then I can take this here and I can add a, you know, link, Amazon, myaffiliatelink.com, and then do OK, and then I can save this as a custom letter template. I mean, I can take all of this out just as well, you know, I can delete this out, that way, you know, basically I can put in whatever I want, you know, and then so save this as a custom letter. Okay. Okay. You give it a name, and then click create template. Okay, so now I can actually choose this. Okay, I'll do a proof. So you see it has this, so now you can just fill in the blanks. Okay, so that is how you create a template using Traffic Wave. Okay, so if you all are interested in getting Traffic Wave. You can try it out for 30 days, and it's only $17.95 a month for however long you have Traffic Wave. Okay, and so you can connect with me on Facebook, of course, and the link is bit.ly/TBJ Traffic Wave. All right, so look forward to helping you create a template for your email campaign in Traffic Wave.